Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about size and density of nucleus. Okay, the particle scattering experiment and many other experiment using different method. Okay, alpha particle scattering we have to define to the many other experiment. Okay, the different method have been carried out on the nucleus of various atoms. The nucleus are found to be approximately spherical in shape. You see that the nucleus atom, it's a various atom. This nucleus is a what happened means it's a spherical in shape. The nucleus is in the spherical in shape. It is the experimentally found that the radius of the nucleus for is a greater than 10. Okay, wow. The radius of the is at greater than the 10. So that formula we are applied to the formula R radius equal to R naught. R naught is a constant value. A is a mass of value. Mass of atom. 1 by 3. Okay, this formula you have to apply to and find out that nucleus radius. Okay. Here A is the mass number of nucleus and the constant R naught equal to 1.2 Fermi. So R naught what? It's a constant value. That value is 1.2 Fermi. So upon 1 Fermi what value? 1 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. The Fermi, the unit Fermi is named after Enrico Fermi. So what is that? Enrico Fermi. So next you see, let us next discuss mass defect and binding energy. It is the experimentally found out that the mass of nucleus, any nucleus, always less than the sum of the mass of its individual constituent. Okay, wow. So nucleus mass value always less only. Okay, for example, consider the carbon 12 nucleus, which is made up of the 6 carbon, 6 neutron. So the mass of the 6 neutron, how do you calculate? 6 into 1.0066 is mu. Okay, so value 6.05196 mu. Mass of 6 protons equal to 6 into 1.00727 mu equal to 6.043262 mu. Okay, so next mass of electron value 6 into 0.00055 mu. So value 0.00033 mu. Okay. They expected the mass of the carbon 12 nucleus. So 12 nucleus, how to come? That neutron and proton, right? So you are added to the neutron plus proton, you are added means 12.09558U. But using the mass spectroscopy, the atomic mass of the carbon atom is found to be the 12 mu. So you rounded pananga the 12.055 mu. Okay. So if we subtract the mass of the 6 electron, so the 12 mu and 6 electron we have to subtract. So 12 mu value how to calculate? 12.09558 la electron value mattu subtract pananga. The 0.0033 and subtract panna. It is a carbon value lesser. Okay, so next you see that we get the carbon 12 nuclear mass is equal to that 12.9967 mu. Note that the experimental mass of the carbon 12 nucleus is less than the total mass of individual constituent by del m equal to 0.09888 mu. So what is that defect means? This different in the mass. This different in mass del m is called the mass defect. So evlo defect irukela del m 0.09888 mu. In the general, if m capital M, small mp and mn. So mp means a mass of proton, mass of neutron, or mass of the nucleus. The mass of the proton and the mass of the neutron respectively, then the mass defect is given by del m. The formula. This formula you are applying. Okay, del m is a what? Mass defect. Okay. Next, del m equal ZMP plus NZM into minus M. Okay. So next you see that when as this mass disappeared, whereas this mass disappear, so the mass defect எங்க ஆகுது, எங்க அந்த mass வந்து disappear ஆகுது, மறையுது அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும். அதுக்கு you see that the Albert Einstein giving to the reason, you see that one the help of the famous mass energy, we are to using to that famous mass energy relation E equal to mc squared. That formula we are applying and find out that where the mass defect disappeared. Okay, the according to the relation, the mass can be converted into the energy. The mass converted to the energy, the energy can be converted into the mass. First mass converted to the energy and energy converted to the mass. Okay, so in case of the carbon 12 nucleus, when 6 protons and 6 neutrons combine to the form carbon 12 nucleus, mass equal to the mass defect disappear and the corresponding energy is released. This is called the binding energy of the nucleus. Okay, this is we are telling to binding energy of nucleus. So equal to the del m c squared. In fact, the separate the carbon 12 nucleus into the individual constituents, we must supply the energy equal to the binding energy. Whenever you are supply to the energy, அது எதுக்கு ஈக்குவலண்டா நீங்கள் energy convert பண்ணோம், binding energy. Okay, we can write the equation, so we have to change the equation. Binding energy equivalent to ZMP plus NMN minus MC squared. Okay, it is always the convenient to work with the mass of the atom, the mass of the nucleus. Okay, hence by adding the subtracting the mass, adding and subtracting of the electron, Z electron. So the binding energy la Z electron நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஆட் பண்ணி சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ ZME ப்ளஸ் மைனஸ் ZME. ஸோ இங்கே ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் பாருங்கள். அப்புறம் அதில் இந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு 2 இதுலேருந்து Z நம்ம காமனாக எடுக்கிறோம். காமனாக எடுத்தால் MP ப்ளஸ் ME இருக்குது. தட் ஒன் we have to MP plus MV we are considered to the hydrogen mass of hydrogen. Okay, so next you see that we are taking to the this one NM ZME. Clear? This one we are taking to that that one not here, this one you are taking minus M minus ZME. Clear? So 1 minus you are take out means M minus into M plus ZME whole square of XC square, whole bracket of C square. அப்போ this is we are taking to the mass of atom. அப்போ capital MA we are இதுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம replace என்ன பண்ணுறோம், mass of atom, where MA is the mass of atom of the electron. Finally the binding energy in the term of the atomic mass given by ZMH plus NMN minus MA whole bracket of C square. This is a binding energy. So now you see that binding energy curve. Binding, next one let us see binding energy curve. So now we are explain to the origin of the binding energy. Okay, now we can find that average binding energy per nucleus. Per nucleus la average energy we have to find out. Average binding energy we have to find out. For B modulus, binding energy of modulus. What we are doing, that is the formula, that is the same binding energy formula divided by A. Okay, what's the binding energy? Average of binding energy means per nuclear the energy required to the separate single nucleon from the particular nucleus. The particular nucleus வந்து single over each energy, each nucleon உடைய energy நம்ம calculate பண்ணுறது. ஓகேவா? So it is here plotted against the A atom, all known the nucleus given. So we have to separate to that. What happens? So immediately it's rising that level. After that, little by is a variation. The each single nucleus energy we have to calculate. Each one is a first increase. What happens here? Decrease of the level energy. The different energy level having to that nucleus. Okay. This. So some of limitation. So important inference. The important inference from of the average binding energy curve. The value of BE rise as the mass number increase until it reaches the maximum value of 8.8 MeV. For A equal to 36, it's an ion. Okay, but then it slowly decreases. So next you take that average binding energy of the nucleon is about the 8.5 MeV. For the nuclear having the means number between the A equal to 40 and 120. These elements are comparatively more stable and not radioactive. So in third point, you see the third point, for higher mass numbers the curve reduced slowly and BE modulus. For uranium take to uranium about the 7.6 MeV. There are the unstable and radioactivity. From the figure you see that if two light nucleus with A lesser than 28 combined with the nucleus with A lesser than 56, the binding energy per nucleon is more for final nucleus than the initial nucleus. Thus, if the lighter elements combine to produce the nucleus of the medium value A, a large amount of the energy will be released. This is the basis of nuclear fission and the principle of the hydrogen bomb. Next, fourth one. Nucleus. If a nucleus of heavy element is split, that is a fission time, into the two or more nucleus of the medium value A, the energy released could again be a large. The atom bomb is based on the principle of huge energy of atom bombs comes from this fission when it is controlled. I hope you are understood. Thank you, children.